Yo guys, it's Robert from The Gamers, and today I'll be playing some Cats Crash. I literally just got this game, and it looks promising, so let's type in our nickname. Bada boom, here's my nickname. Watching the World Championship? Do you mean to participate? Sure. Since it's your birthday, I have a present for you. Thanks. Is this guy like a thug or something? Oh, thank you. Why are you so sad? Aren't you happy to see your Uncle Tony? Are you sure you're my uncle? You look like a thug I found on the street or something, yo. Sorry for being away all these years, but that's what happens when you owe a lot of money to bad guys. Whoa, what is this guy's past? Now let's open the container. Alright, here's my present, yo. Oh, I got a crappy car. Congratulations on your first fighting machine. Let's install the rocket launcher. Oh, there we go. Nice. Now what just happened? What are you waiting for? Get in there. Wait, I'm not even ready yet. Oh, looking good. Now let's win some new parts for your machine. Okay. Honestly, I'm not even ready to fight yet, but remember, you don't control the machine. It fights automatically. Okay. Your job is to assemble the best machine out there. Okay. I'm kind of, is this even a fight? Your machine won. You've been rewarded with your first supply box. It contains parts that will help you improve your machine. Take it. Is that just a box or something? Oh no, sorry, I forgot. That's the supply crate. The supply boxes are sealed pretty well. It takes some time to open. But you can speed up the process with good tools. This time it's on me. Okay, thanks. Thanks, Uncle Tony. What'd I get? I got a blade. Looks pretty bad, but whatever. Yeah, I start somewhere. The boulder? Okay. A scooter. Collect my prizes, yo. Pretty cool, right? Keep winning quick fights to get more supply boxes. Thanks, Uncle Tony. Don't forget to visit your garage and check out your new parts. Okay. So do I just like... Do I just add this on there? No, but where's my rocket launcher thing? Oh. So... Yo, I got some new wheels, yo. Now, okay. What's all this? Oh, these are like the body styles. I'm gonna try this. You gonna work for me, yo? No? Okay. Before you go, I have a small gift for you. Okay. I guess it is still my birthday, so take this sticker. It'll make your fire machine look special. Okay. Kitty. Kitty cat, you. Looks great. Can't wait to see it in battle. Okay. Do I go back into fighting again, or are these real people I'm fighting? Are these like real people? Because I'm not even ready to fight, to be honest. But well, whatever. Oh, okay. I did it. Yay. I did it. Go do another one. What the heck happened? I am just dominating you. Alright. Want to get on TV and fight in the finals? Sure. I entered you at the first stage of the championship. Yo, I didn't mean now, but I'm not even ready to be part of the championship, yo. Also, I just now realized, but does he have a black eye? Stage 1. You have to beat 23 stages in order to get to the finals. Jeez. Alright. Carbon. Lit. I'm sure you'll get there and become a star, but let's get back to the first stage. Are these real people, or are they just, like, computers? That's you, here in the competition. There are several ways to win the championship. Let's try to win a series of fights. Alright. Fight with everyone. Fight against all other players from your group, one by one. Win 3 fights to get instant promotion. I'm gonna die, aren't I? Oh, thank God. Alright. Fight 3. I'm just dominating, yo! You've been instantly promoted to the next stage. Congrats on winning the first championship stage. Yay, I guess? Jeez, look how much money I have. You've unlocked more powerful parts. I have? Okay. Pick one of the stickers. Ooh, well, let's go full on savage. The forklift, the rocket, the boulder, tire, Bigfoot, scooter, blade. I already have these. Oh, knob. What's this? Is this a wheel? Attack toolbox. Nice. Okay, thanks. Now can I edit my little car thingy? I know you're eager to get back into fights, but let's improve your machine first. Okay, that's what I was planning on doing. You can fuse some unused parts to improve your favorite ones. What? Okay. Interesting. This is an interesting game. This is... Choose the part you want to improve. I don't want to okay, fine. Then fuse another part into it. Okay. Just... Well done. Keep fusing and improving your parts to make your machine more powerful. Okay. Okay, now what do I do? So... Oh, wait, yeah. And now my buzzsaw is at, like, level 2. I'm gonna have a big old monster truck, yo. What am I doing right now? Too much power? Wait, what? Do that again? No, oh, not enough power. Okay. So, okay. I'm confused on what it means by too much power or not enough power. Yo, work with me, yo. Oh well, it doesn't really matter. Whoopsie. Oh wait a minute. Wait, can I add that sticker? Yeah, let's add that sticker. Can I add that sticker, please? No? Okay. Fuse with any weapon to boost its attack. Okay. So if I were to, like, bring this weird drill thing with it. You can't fuse anything on... Oh, okay. Alright. Psst. I see you've got a new super part. That sounds funny. Super part. I know a guy who can turn any of your regular parts into a super part. All you need to do is make a bet. Okay. My shady uncle. This is the upcoming fight. Who do you think is going to win? Okay. Choose one of the players and place your bet. The parts you bet will gain super bonuses if you win. Try it. Okay, chill. Let's see. I'm gonna bet on this guy, yo. Oh, bet on this guy. Drag the part you want to bet. Okay. Can I get me like a super drill? Okay. Place a body here? Okay. Then I'll place a body. Oh, no. I see. Okay. Now what do I do? You sure you want to bet one part? Yes, please. If I lose, do I just lose that drill? Because I wanna... Oh, wow. What? Oh, the battle's gonna happen in 2 minutes. Okay. So, I'm gonna go fight. Let's go, yo. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boys, let's go. Your machine has successfully defended itself 4 times. Yay, I'm good at this. What does this thing do? You have 2 paws? What? I'm so confused on what this is, but hold on. Yeah, we're just gonna keep fighting until, Come on, win, yes! Okay, that was scary. Oh, I got an achievement. Kitten, okay. We're gonna... Alright. 69. See, I knew that was a good idea to put the big wheel in front. Alrighty. Oh, 21 seconds. Alright. We ready for this? So, this guy has a big chainsaw. But, this guy also, but the guy on the left has a tiny wheel. and he's gonna like flop forward, and he's not gonna hit my little guy, or hit Lewis, I mean. So let's watch this battle. Oh no! Okay, I will let you have successfully recovered all the parts. Okay. Yo. Don't know. Maybe we'll have. Maybe I'll just go back to doing another fight. Actually, hold on. No. You will lose your win streak and rating. Are you sure you want to quit? No, I'm gonna do this battle. Battle of the cats, yo. Okay. Okay. Can I change my thing? Yo, wait, what I do? Okay, apparently I'm just. Oh, I can edit my little cat person. Okay, this is getting interesting. Give him a savage eye patch, or maybe a hat. What am I doing? Twilight? No, no Twilight. No. What do I do? Can I edit you? Can I give you a? Oh, I drag it onto his face. Can I give you a hat too? Oh no. Okay. Let's give you a savage eye patch, you. It's gonna be amazing. I think that's gonna be it for this video.